Good afternoon, all present here. Today, our group, me, Abhijit Moite, Abhishek Yadav, Adbut Loya, and Aman Chau is going to present a presentation on economics of Tiffin Center. Aman, change the slide. So, content of our presentation are first, introduction, second, case study of Tiffin service, third, marketing plan, and fourth, SWOT. And fifth is working policy, and sixth is financial plan. First, introduction. Introductions. The first type of introduction is profitable business. Second, law of investment, Tiffin service, business plan. Third, providing cooked food and daily basis of reasonable price in a reasonable price. An introduction, we can say that introduction we can give of Tiffin services that a Tiffin service is very useful for today's world because in many places where there are living students living in their place, they have to need to a food which they could not make a food because of their busy schedule, so they need a tiffin. Many places the office mans or many of government officers also need the tiffin because their job does not give time to make their food for themselves. That's why the tiffin service is the important and main for our government, for our living services, that is important at tiffin services. Thank you. And now further presentation will be held by Aman Sahu.
Good evening, sir. The next slide is case study. Case study of Tiffin business model. Home based. This type of Tiffin service provider are running from home and have very limited resources. They are fully dependent on this work. Part-time Tiffin services. People who are in job and have space, their house to manage their business can do this work by hiring. Third is professional tiffin services. This type of tiffin have service category. People are highly dedicated and fully personalized. In home-based, this type of tiffin service are running from home and have very limited resources. They are fully dependent on this work. They have very limited resources like provide tiffin to the student or job professional by delivery of box to their living area. Due to limited resources or cooking facility, labor foundation, this category of food service is limited to few number of customers, but they are highly dedicated for their work as they have single resources for earning by the business plan only. Second, part-time tiffin services. Only those who are in job and have space in their house to manage this business can do this work by hiring labor and cook, so their attention is partial as hired. People are people take of work and management of thing is done by owners. Some of limitations of this work is dependency on staff, limited resources, limited market to earn. As this model is not reachable in whole city, her owner can earn good money by increasing food quality as he multiple source of income. So quality of food attract more customers, which directly increases profit. Third is professional tiffin services. This type of tiffin service category people are highly dedicated and fully professional. They have multiple choice to the customer like various range of tiffin box, one time, two time, three meal, special meal, etc. They have good number of full-time staff. They have good marketplace to provide food per plate. This type of tiffin services provide have potential to serve throughout the city. So good quality food is served by them at marginal cost. Next point is marketing plan. The marketing plan are first contact nearby hostels owner and put banner left so student can contact tiffin center. This is our first marketing plan to market the tiffin. Register. Second, contact rental house owner house. Third, contact local OB providing agency to contact new customer. Fifth, the presence in large organization like college, industry, etc. list. Reach coaching institute to make business large. Seventh, hygiene. 8. Sponsor cultural activity in surrounding school, colleges, colony to promote your brand contact. Now further
Ready?
presentation will be explained by Abhishek Yadav. Thanks.
Thank you. Next slide. SWOT of this Tiffin box business idea. Strength. Very low investment in business, easily availability of new customer, high profit. Weakness. Anyone can start this business from home. Other may provide how cost Tiffin box. Opportunity. When people distribute food packet in the religious activity. Second, new student and job seeker visit cities. That low cost Tiffin reduce margin and increase chance of heavy losses. Second, staff may destroy customer trust. Third, cost of raw food increase, but you increase your daily meal prices. Next slide. Thank you. Further presentation will be explained by Adbhut.
Policy. Next slide. First one, security deposits, advance token before start of tiffin, discount to customer, informal commission, publicity, calculation of food packet as per meal quantity, transparency of work for staff. Next slide. Fifth one, release of security term and conditions. Sixth one, charges as per type of meal, lunch and dinner. Seventh, define working flexibility. Next slide. Financial plan. Next slide. Target audience, salaried, student, children and age. Tiffin box delivery system, home delivery, counter or online. Pricing calculation as per type of meal and number of days. How much money one should take advance token against my service? How to calculate it? How to minimize the customer when requirement generate? Digital marketing support of work. What to put in website to create profile as a beginner? How to increase learn or other home based tiffin service provider. Next slide. Thank you.